Hello, now we're going to look at IFL Task 3, the video game rentals. So, Sore Thumb Inc. is an online gaming company. They are exploring pricing options. Sore Thumb Inc. has found that most gamers wish to spend less than $12.50 per month for an online gaming subscription. One pricing option is to charge customers a membership fee of $2.79 each month, and then 23 cents for every hour spent playing their games online over the course of a month. Use an inequality to determine the number of hours that gamers may play and spend less than $12.50 per month. Show all work and explain your reasoning. So right here I'm thinking they want their price to be less than $12.50. So they're charging $2.79 plus 23 cents per hour. Well, I would start by taking away the $2.79. That's just the monthly charge. That would leave me 23 cents per hour to come up with less than. I opened a calculator to make this a little easier. So we're going to do $12.50 minus $2.79, $9.71. Okay. And then we would divide that amount by the 23 cents per hour. So let's pull that back up. That's huge. So let's just put 42.2 hours need to be less than 42.2. So if we're talking in whole numbers, we could just say determine the hours less than 42 hours to stay in budget. Okay, then there's also a second option. It's shown in the table, so we have to kind of look at the table and see what's happening here. As the time increases 1 hour, the price increases 20 cents, and that is consistently happening. So from the table I can determine that each hour here is 20 cents. And then with no hours, the cost is $4. So that would just be a $4 fee for the month. Now determine the number of hours if they wish to spend less than $12.50 with this plan. So we'd have the $4 plus 20 cents an hour to be less than $12.50. So we would subtract the monthly fee, and then we would divide that by the hourly fee. So the hours that we would play to stay within budget for the second plan. Pull our calculator up. Start off $8.50 divided by 20 cents, 42.5. Okay. Show all work. It's been freezing. So here we would also need less than 42 hours. Now that I see that they're that close at 42 hours, I get a little more play with this one, because half of an hour is more than 2/10 of an hour. We could even look at how many minutes that would be. Half of an hour would be 30 minutes, and 2/10 of an hour would be 12 minutes, so 30 minutes versus 12. It's just a little extra.